guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this install on this closure wig, and this is hair from Ashimary Hair. So you guys are interested in seeing how I slayed this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so here I am with my ball cap. Well, it's not even a ball cap, it's just my stocking cap. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig looked on the inside. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a 5x5, not a 4x4. But everything will be double listed in the description box. So y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and say it from the beginning. I over bleached the fuck out of my knots. I over bleached them so bad, and right there in the center it just looks like doo-doo. But if you guys keep watching towards the end, I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed that and made it perfectly new. Okay, so please ignore that, because while I was editing this video, I just was watching it the whole time. Like, it looks like a piece of doo-doo. So I'm not going to be putting any glue on my hair today. I'm going to be applying my wig with my Slickum Spritz, and I'm just doing one coat of that, and then I'm going ahead and putting my melt band, and I'm gonna let that dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go between my hair, and I'm just gonna hot comb and flatten out the whole side of my hair. And once I finish doing that, I'm gonna go in again. I'm gonna begin to cut off my lace, and then I'm gonna put maybe 2 more rounds of that same spritz to give it an extra tight hold. Alright you guys, so now I'm taking off my band, and I'm gonna go in with my scissors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off that extra lace. I'm not gonna pull it too hard, because you gotta remember that because it's not glued down, it's a little bit more sensitive and easier to pull up. So I'm being very gentle as I go. Now that I've removed that extra lace, you guys can see it looks so nice and it's melted in. I'm going in one more time with my spritz, but this time I'm spraying it on my finger and tapping it on my hand, because if you spray it directly, it might get too wet. So now that I've finished letting that sit, I let it sit for about 10 minutes each round. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs and just begin to do my baby hairs. I'm going to be doing 2 sideburn pieces. And this is going to help the illusion on the sides, because there is no hair on there. The way I set my baby hairs and do them, it'll look like I actually do have some sideburns. So I'm going in with my scissors, and I'm just cutting them at a long length, because I'm going to go in with my super skinny curling iron, and I'm just going to go ahead and re-curl my baby hairs. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to go in with my razor, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to shred them down and get them to a nice length that I would personally like. I took my wax stick and I just waxed my hair out the way, so there could be like a better separation between my baby hairs and my actual hair, so it doesn't fall together. So now I went ahead and cut them with the scissors. Now I'm going to be taking my baby hair glue, and I'm just slicking those baby hairs, and as you can see, I'm like slowly twirling it. I'm moving some of the hairs out the way, but I am kind of curling it into position, and I'm going to leave that left part by my eyebrow. I leave that part curled a little bit, so it kind of looks like hair is flowing instead of there being like nothing there, if you know what I mean. Like, not at the beginning of the baby hair, but towards the edges, like right there where I'm at, I kind of let that part hang. So when you do it that way, it kind of gives an illusion like it's more hair coming down. Now I'm going in with my spritz one more last time with my melt band, and then I'll come back when it's fully dry and finished.
Silicone and some cement.
Come on, quit. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of the baby hairs. I kind of let them lay down so they can kind of cover the sides a bit, since this is a closure. And I actually like how it came out. So this is how the hair looks. This is my first time actually like running my hands to it. I'm gonna actually zoom out. This is how the hair looks. It has like a really nice curl pattern to it. This is how this side looks. As you can see, I haven't fully ran through the curls on that side, so I'm just gonna lightly run my fingers through those curls just to open them up a bit. Okay, so I hate when hair gets all over my lips. Alright, now it's so cold in my house. I'm gonna take my So Curly spray and I'm just gonna be spraying a little bit on the hair, but not too much because I don't want it like damp or oversaturated. I just want to blend in like the part of my closure more with the bundles. Yeah, so I'm not gonna like oversaturate it. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. B9. Alright, so if you guys can't tell, I like over bleached the top of my head really, really bad. So I have got to fix that. I've over bleached it horrible. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to. I'm gonna be taking my mascara, and this is just a regular off-brand mascara. And I'm just brushing it like that, and as you can see, I'm fixing the over bleached spots like that, just like that. And then I'm gonna take in that same Kiss powder that I always use, and I'm just gonna go down my center part and just keep going straight like that. And now I'm gonna take the key ingredients, which is all that I used on my hair today, except for I used my gel on my baby hairs, and I did some splash of that, and that is my Slickum Spritz. And now I'm going to take my Sleek Mist spray, and then take the hot comb and sorry y'all, my hot comb is piping hot. If you guys are ever watching my videos and you guys see like steam flying up, it's my hot comb. So yeah, so this is the final look of this easy closure wig, which was done in like less than 30 minutes. Alright, so this is hair from Ashimary Hair. If I'm not mistaken, this is deep wave, but I'll double check in the description box. But if I'm not mistaken, this is deep wave, and it is 26 inches. I mean 28 inches. 28. So this is how it looks. I did bleach the knots on it. The knots did not come bleached. I did bleach the knots on it, but I didn't fully wash the hair. I only washed the closure part, so that's why I'm able to have that natural curl pattern. So if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, keep on watching. Click the description box below for all your hair links if you guys want to purchase this hair and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching.